Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a new channel using the same account you already have. First thing you have to do is open YouTube, go to the upper right side of the screen and click on your logo. Go down to settings and click on add or manage your channels. On this screen you will see a list of all your channels. You can choose one of your existing channels in order to add them, or you can press create a channel. In this pop-up window, you have to select a picture. This is going to be your profile picture of your new channel. Choose a name, test 1. The handle is automatically given. You can change it if you need it. And then you press create channel. As expected, it's failed to create the channel because the channel name is already taken. This is a common situation. Usually new users choose a very common name for their channel which is already taken. So let's choose this as a name. I bet no one chose this one, and press create channel. Alright, this is my new channel. And I am already logged in my new channel. If I need to switch account, I press here, switch account, and change the account. So, that's it for today. You now have a new channel under the same account. You can find your new channel if you press switch account. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And I will see you in the next video again.